If Photoshop is giving you a script error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. Whether you're using a custom JSX script, an automation tool, or a built-in Photoshop workflow, script errors usually come from a few common problems like corrupted preferences, blocked file permissions, disabled plugins, or a version mismatch. The good news is that most of these issues can be fixed without reinstalling Photoshop. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop troubleshooting videos. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should try is purging the scripting preferences cache. Sometimes Photoshop stores corrupted preference data or workspace settings that stop scripts from running correctly. To do this, open Photoshop and go to Edit, then Preferences, then General. You can also press Ctrl and K on Windows to open preferences faster. Once the Preferences window opens, look for the option called Reset Preferences on Quit. Click that button, then confirm the warning message by selecting OK. This is important because it tells Photoshop to clear out saved settings the next time it closes. After that, completely close Photoshop and open it again. When Photoshop relaunches, it rebuilds its internal scripting and automation components from scratch, which can resolve a lot of strange script failures. If the error is still happening, the next step is to unblock local file permissions. Windows security settings can prevent third-party or custom scripts from reading or writing files, especially if they are trying to access protected locations like program files or the root of your C drive. First, close Photoshop completely. Then open your Start menu, type Photoshop, right-click the app icon, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the program elevated permissions and can instantly fix scripts that were being blocked by Windows. If your script still does not work, check where the file is stored. If you are loading a custom JSX script manually, make sure it is saved in the official Photoshop scripts folder. The path should look like this: C:\program files /Adobe /Adobe Photoshop 2026 /presets /scripts. Scripts stored on the desktop, in downloads, or on external drives can sometimes trigger pathing or access errors, so moving the file to the correct folder is a very important step. Next, you should disable generator plugins and test again. Photoshop's generator feature runs in the background and communicates with your canvas through internal scripting processes. If that background process glitches, it can cause script timeout errors or strange automation behavior. To check this, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Plugins. Look for the checkbox labeled Enable Generator and turn it off. Click OK to save the change. Then restart Photoshop and try your script again. If the error disappears, the issue was likely caused by a background plugin conflict. You can always re-enable Generator later if your workflow depends on it, especially after updating plugins or extensions. Another major cause of script errors is version compatibility. If you recently updated to Photoshop 2026, older scripts may still be using legacy code that no longer works the same way. Some scripts were written for older versions and may break when Photoshop changes its scripting engine or internal architecture. When the script fails, pay close attention to the exact error message. Write down the line number, the error code, and the wording of the pop-up. For example, you might see something like error 22, expected semicolon, or undefined is not an object. That information is extremely helpful because it tells you whether the problem is caused by outdated code, a typo, or an unsupported function. After that, go back to the website or developer page where you downloaded the script and see if there is an updated version for Photoshop 2026. Many creators release patches specifically for newer releases, and updating the script can solve the problem immediately. If you are still stuck, the best approach is to test one fix at a time. Start with preferences, then permissions, then plugins, and finally compatibility. That way, you know exactly what was causing the issue instead of changing everything at once. In many cases, one of these 4 steps will completely solve the problem and get your Photoshop scripts running normally again. If this video helped you fix your Photoshop script error, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.